Hello, how to solve for x and y in this equation? X squared minus y squared is equal to 44, where x and y are member of natural number. Solution. Here we have x squared minus y squared is equal to 44. Now, take note of this, that if you have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. Then where a is equal to x and b is equal to y. This can be written as s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 44. But note from here, s plus y is greater than s minus y. Therefore, this is greater than this. We have x plus y bracket, this is greater than bracket s minus y is equal to 44. Now, note 44 is a product of 44 multiplied by 1, then 1 multiplied by 44, 22 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 22, and 11 multiplied by 4, then 4 multiplied by 11. But since s plus y is greater than s minus y, 44 is greater than 1, this is accepted. 1 is less than 44, this is rejected. 22 is greater than 2, this is accepted. 2 is less than 22, this is rejected. 11 is greater than 4, this is accepted. 4 is less than 11, this is rejected. We have how many cases? 1, 2, 3. Now let's consider the first case. The first case, we have s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 44 multiplied by 1, then s plus y is equal to 44. This is equation 1. Now s minus y is equal to 1. This is equation 2. Now these are simultaneous equation. Now the second case, we have s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 22 multiplied by 2. Now x plus y is equal to 22. This is equation 1. X minus y is equal to 2. This is equation 2. Now let's consider the third case. The third case, we have s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 11 multiplied by 4. Then here, s plus y is equal to 11. This is equation 1. Then x minus y is equal to 4. This is equation 2. So we can now solve all these equations simultaneously using elimination method by adding the two equations together. Let's start from the first case. Then from the first case, we have s plus y is equal to 44, s minus y is equal to 1. Let's add the two equations together. S plus s, this is 2x, plus y minus y, this will cancel this, is equal to 44 plus 1, this is 45. Let's divide both sides by 2. Then s is equal to 45 over 2. This is the value of s, and this is not a natural number. It is rejected. We've gotten the value of s. Let's solve for y. Then to solve for y, from equation 2, s minus y is equal to 1. Then when s is 45 divided by 2, we have 45 divided by 2 minus y is equal to 1. Now let's multiply all through by 2. Here we have 45 minus 2y is equal to 2. Then minus 2y is equal to 2 minus 45. Now minus 2y is equal to minus 43. Y is equal to 43 divided by 2. This is the value of y, and this is not a natural number. It is rejected. Now let's consider the second case. From second case, we have s plus y is equal to 22. This is equation 1. Then x minus y is equal to 2. This is equation 2. Let's add the two equations together. This is s plus s. We have 2x. This will cancel this. Is equal to 22 plus 2. This is 24. Now let's divide all through by 2. S is equal to 24 divided by 2. S is equal to 12. This is the value of s. We've gotten the values of s. Let's solve for y using either equation 1 or equation 2, but I'm going to make use of this equation 2. Then from s minus y is equal to 2. Then s is 12. We have 12 minus y is equal to 2. Minus y is equal to 2 minus 12. Minus y is equal to minus 10. Then y is equal to 10. This is the value of y. And as you can see, this is a natural number. It is accepted. This is also a natural number. Let's consider the third case. From the third case, s plus y is equal to 11. Let's call this equation 1. S minus y is equal to 4. This is equation 2. Let's solve using elimination method. This is 2s. This will cancel this. Is equal to 11 plus 4. That is 15. Now we can now divide all through by 2. So s is equal to 15 divided by 2. This is not a natural number. It is also rejected. Now we've gotten the values of x. Let's solve for y using either equation 1 or the equation 2. But let me make use of equation 1 here. Then to solve for y, from s plus y is equal to 11. When s is 15 over 2, we have 15 divided by 2 plus y is equal to 11. Let's multiply all through by 2. Here we have 15 plus 2y is equal to 22. Now 2y is equal to 22 minus 15. 2y is equal to 7. Then y is equal to 7 divided by 2. And of course, this is not a natural number. It is also rejected. Therefore, our final answer are x comma y is equal to 12 comma 10. This is the values of x, which is a member of natural number. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.